So he just ordered 50 bottles of Mazzetti for his 50th birthday. That's 50 for 50, man. This lifestyle cost, Igbo lifestyle cost, I swear. Okay, just watch.
But let it be on record that this is the first man, this is the first black man, both in Nigeria and Africa and the world, to buy 50 bottles of 35-year-old Mazzetti. Not for sale, not for anything, but for us to drink on his 50th birthday. Yeah. My bro, please have the pleasure of opening one of the revered Mazzetti. Let's see what the Mazzetti looks like. So you understand why
50 for 50
here
50
to celebrate your
50 over 50.
And then I couldn't learn for you. Yeah. For the people why even one. My other let me quote.
Ebwe.
Mazzetti.
Ebwe.
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 Oh, it's better I take with everybody that day. You want to go? People that do
50 over 50
is 35.
35 years.
That is what this man can have. Well, I know 50 bottles, 50 boxes, just for the pleasure of the man.
Ijele. Ijele.
Ijele. Social media. Them glasses, big one.
Let me glass there.
Oh, God, Holy Communion.
Obi is 50. Ijele is also 50. We'll be 50 soon. This is the year of 50. If you are not 50 this year, better
drink this thing.
tune up your age.
You can't do what is better than you.
Down train and you got your family. What funny if I born a baby girl. If you no bono be a saco. Tell them say man no fit be God, yeah. Mm.